Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I welcome all the respected members of the council for coming here in the budget session 2023-2024. Today this session is held for annual budget 2023-2024. The budget is estimated from authorized tax and locally owned revenue sources of Municipal Committee Kambar. Now I present the budget 2023-2024 before the Honorable Councils, which is prepared on authorized tax and own source of Municipal Committee Kambar on the demand of public, as their need is as under. Proposed income for the year 2023-2024. Estimated balance 1st July 2023 3 lakh 30,000. Priya Zilla tax 40 million 4 crore. Property tax 5 million 50 lakh. Registration fees 22 million 3 lakh. Own sources 4 crore 91,000 4 crore 91 lakh. Special grant by the government as requested 50 million 5 crore. Total income for rupees 50 crore 61 lakh. Grand total with the opening balance of 50 million 50 crore 91,000. Proposed expenditures for the year 2023-2024. Establishment salaries, pensions, communication, financial assets to employees 20 crore 25 lakh. Contingency repair and maintenance 8 crore. POL 1 crore. Purchases of street lights, materials, motorcycles, loaders, tractors, CCTVs and others 1 crore 50 lakh. Other expenditures, advocate fees, social welfare, baby boundary, lal dino, disaster management and etc. 1 crore 63 lakh 40,000. Utility charges, communication charges 200,000 22 lakh. Charge expenditures SAPCO charges 2 million 20 lakh. Liabilities 6 crore 40 lakh. Development expenditures as proposed scheme by the Honorable Council 7 crore 50 lakh. Total rupees 50 crore 85 lakh 40,000. Closing balance 5 lakh 60,000. Now I request the Honorable Council to coordinate with me and approve the estimated budget 2023-2024 placed before the Honorable members, and I assure you to continue my efforts for providing better facilities to the citizens of Kambar city. Further, I would like to thank Mr. Zamir Hussain Abro, Chief Municipal Officer, Mr. Dilip Kumar Ochani for their effort to complete the budget 2023-2024. On this event, I will advise the Honorable Council to approve the honorary for the best performance on completing the budget to Mr. Dilip Kumar Ochani, Accounts Officer, and Shakil Ahmed Mirjat, Senior Computer Operator, Municipal Committee Kambar.